Again, we don't know what's happening. You see the same news reports we do. This particular hurricane has taken a lot of different acts. The modeling seems to say that it's moving a little bit farther east now, and we may not be hit as hard, but you don't know. This hurricane especially has taken a lot of twists and turns, so I think it's too early to say that we're not going to get hit. So we're again, as they always say, hoping for the best, but we're preparing for the worst.